In this video, I'll show you how to use night lights on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If any reasons you love to use the night lights on your Windows, I'm going to walk you through all you need to know, right? So click on this, click on the settings. Once this has opened up, click on the display, right? So this is the night light. Just click on it, right? So let's say if you use your system or your PC well enough, and let's say you're having some, let's say like some rays are coming from this blue light, right? So if you look at this our system now, you can see that the color is currently on the blue, right? So for your eye sake and for our own good, right, you can just turn this on, right? So you can see at least your eye won't like be pinning you well enough, right? Once you have turned it on. So for you to be able to use this, you can turn this on, you can turn this off, right? From this one feature, you can just come on here, show on my light, you can turn this on, you can turn this off, right? Then for the strength, right, this is how strong the night light is. It's currently in 48. If I take it to 100, you can see how this is gonna be appearing, right? Or how this is gonna appear if I take it to 80, right? So if I take it to 0, so it's in the 48, I think. So yeah, this is how you can basically do this. So I think it's in the 48. It was in the 48, yeah. So you can as well schedule night light. Let's say if you work by 8 p.m. most times in the night and you love to turn on the night light, right? So instead of you coming here to just manually turn it on, you can schedule it, right? Once it's the time for when you have scheduled the night light to come on board on your PC, it's gonna automatically turn on, right? Let's say if you work from, let's say, 9 p.m. to around midnight and you love the night light to be on, like on its own schedule by that period, you can just come on here, click on the on, right? Then you're gonna select the time, set hours, right? You can turn it on, you can turn it off, depending on how you work, depending on your preference, depending on your choices. So this is how you can use night light on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if this video helped you out. I'm gonna see you in the very next one.